In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your VAT ID tax on your Facebook ads account. Navigating through the settings to find where you need to enter this information might seem a bit daunting, but don't worry. By following these steps, you'll have your VAT ID entered in no time. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in Facebook Ads Manager and look for the link to the official Ads Manager site. Once you've found the right site, click on Go to Ads Manager to get started. Now a login screen will appear. Here you need to enter your Facebook login credentials, which include your email and password. Once you've entered this information, select the login button to proceed. If you've set up two-factor authentication, ensure you have your phone handy to verify your identity. This will bring you directly into your Facebook ads account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll want to go to the campaigns dashboard. This is where you can manage all of your advertising campaigns. Look for the tab that says Billing and Payments and click on it. This section of your Ads Manager is crucial, especially if you're handling financial information or setting up your account for the first time. In the Billing and Payments section, you'll see an option labeled Payment Settings, which is where we'll need to go next. Click on it and you will see a variety of options related to your account's payment methods and associated information. Scroll down this page until you reach the section titled Business Info. To adjust your business information and specifically to add your VAT ID, click on the Edit button in this section. This action will open up a form where you can input your business details. Usually the space to enter your VAT ID number will be located at the very bottom. If you can't find it immediately, continue scrolling until you do. Once you've entered your VAT ID, the final step is crucial. To ensure your changes are saved, click on the Save button. This will store your VAT ID within the system and you're all set. By following these steps, you'll have your VAT ID correctly added to your Facebook ads account. It's a straightforward process, but critical for accurate billing and compliance with tax regulations. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to check out our other guides on managing your Facebook ads account.